next left onto Bearer Lane, then turn right onto West Berkeley Street.
Stop. Look around. Go.
Yan, nasunod na to.
Nah. Si Scott.
Scott?
At the stop sign, turn right onto
Undang
West
yung
Berkeley
driver niya.
Street.
Turn. Yan siya. Yeah.
When you get close.
But who the fuck is following us, bro?
In 800
I thought it was
feet,
a
turn left
farm.
onto South Mount Vernon Avenue.
Turn south daw.
Excuse me.
Ang nato di ang mga pengtong diri.
Wait, that was David's car.
Where?
What?
Over there. It just passed us.
Really?
Oh.
Did you see David? That?
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
There's a lot of
At the
Honda
light,
there,
turn
boy.
left onto South Mount Vernon Avenue.
I think we just go straight.
No, we're going to. Some ka mo ka sa line mo. Nam ka just pikas. Yeah.
Ano ni pipip man to siya?
Mot lang.
Continue on South Mount Vernon Avenue for half a mile.
Yeah, like that, Mom. Just like that.
Okay, sir.
We're turning right. Yeah, do pa eh.
Ano raw yun? Buang ka.
Madlog mga diato, mga staff diato.
Hmm?
Go.
Yeah, look. They're going that way.
Hmm?
Oh, don't. Just so far.
Nay di ari og bubo ka Scott.
Mo gyapon pwede mo sige moto diato.
Lagi di pero dili pwede nga kuan kay nay mo kuan.
Unsa na mo kon sa mo kon ana? Ha, sa mo kon?
Tara mag-video oy. Ato ba nang i-upload?
This is the light right here.
Yeah, look at that.
I know you can open this.
And you can open the glass. Mama almost got one.
Go.
Okay, go. Go.
So, hinay mo yung driver lang tayo. Okay.
Continue on West Fayette Street for 3/4 of a mile.
Yeah, jump like that. Just go faster.
Yeah, go like that, guy.
You said you gotta turn? Yeah, go this way. Go that way.
If you turn
You're on the wrong way, mom.
Yes. There. Go that one for the left.
the two lefts.
What?
Ma, go.
Boy, you need to put it.
Wala pa uy.
Kasi wala pa ng sign. You need to put the sign. Yan, mato mag-turn ka.
Dili mang straight man ta.
Straight pa ta? Bro.
Tanawa.
But you see it.
Steward.
You gotta turn over there. Boy.
Okay.
Go.
Look for signs.
Stewart kwan.
Keep going. I'm not there yet. Oh, Bella is not even here today. He's with Jyoti.
Hmm?
He's work today. Mustap pa sa kuan store ang Batag Bud Light. Sakto po man ang gas.
Saan na?
You're almost there. You see that right?
Stewart Street.
Yeah, you see that green light right over there? You gotta just stop over there and turn, get a turn. Go.
Ibalo di ka.
Oh,
I remember.
may car behind you. You didn't need to stop right there because no one's car.
In 800 feet, turn left after Canton Chinese Restaurant
way.
onto
This one?
Stewart Avenue.
This one?
No, go over there.
This?
Just keep going.
Oh.
The red light, you see the green light all the way over there. Wait lang, okay. You're almost there.
Turn left after Canton Chinese Restaurant
this
onto
one?
Stewart
Yeah.
Avenue.
Turn this way. Okay, now turn. Okay, go on your go now.
In a quarter mile, turn left after the gas station.
After the gas station, you can turn left over here. Okay. But sorry, 5 minutes.